Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and the wiring diagram for the fuel pressure regulator control solenoid on Audi A4 and A5 B8 with a 2.7 TDI and 3-liter TDI engines. Before I show you the location of the fuel pressure regulator on the car, I'll show you the wiring diagram for it. In the service manual, I'm going to select the car, select the engine, and then show you the wiring diagram and the component location. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So here in the service manual, we're going to be searching for fuel pressure regulator, control solenoid. That's what it looks like in the photo. And location of it is number 13 right there. It's located on the rear of the engine behind the air intake hose. Next, I'm going to show you the wiring diagram for this fuel pressure regulator. The fuel pressure regulator control solenoid is located right there on the wiring diagram in blue Y63. It has two wires, one is brown and blue going into the engine control module. That's probably the signal wire, and the other one is black and white, and it's going directly into a fuse, F7 fuse. Next, I'll show you the location of the fuel pressure regulator on the engine. The fuel pressure regulator is usually located at the end of the rail. This is the rail right there, and at the end of the rail is located the fuel pressure regulator. You have more access to it if you remove this air intake hose and just move all the hoses to the side, and then you have access to it. This is the electrical connector with two wires. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.